Okay, both streams are up. At least I started them, so they should be. Yes, Twitter stream, YouTube stream just started. Let me refresh the Twitter one. Okay, all of the things are in place. Now let's start. Yeah, so yesterday we were trying to figure out why we were getting the error in the test, and we did come to a conclusion where we had issue here, but that was due to, yeah, that was due to our contract not our contract doesn't have a say address, and that's why whenever we do this, it doesn't actually we don't actually get anything from this. We just get some random error. Random error in the sense we know the error, which is um, the then contract address is not linked. That's the error, but Solidity doesn't know how to handle it. That's why we have to figure out how to do that. For that, we can just do this part, right? We can delegate, and that transaction will automatically link. That transaction will automatically link what the liquid staking contract to its say address. We don't actually have to do it ourselves. So that part we are gonna try today. First part is correct because it's one to one, right? So it doesn't have to do anything. Now what we should do is liquid staking dot, so delegate deposited say await. Also we need our function for getting the validator, local validator address, which returns us, where is, yes, which returns us the valid single validator address. Now we'll say liquid staking dot connect user no owner dot okay owner. I was thinking we only have this, right? uh, we are giving it delegation bot. Only delegation bot can access these functions, but owner is default admin of that role, delegation bot. So it's it should also be able to access that function. Let's see, we can try, and if that doesn't work, we'll figure it out. it's delegate. Then we need to pass a weight. We get one string. We should set 10 ether. Now what we are doing, call data amounts. Okay, we'll just say same amount. And after this, above call should link contract address EVM and say address for our staking contract. And the error we are getting, no, we were getting from the part below this should get resolved. Let's start with running our node. And then npx hard at test. Transaction reverted access card. Okay. We are passing the ownership, right? Okay. We don't need to say connect. Now still it's a access control issue. So now we need to figure out unauthorized account. So this is the role and this is the account. Can we give it bot, and at the end we'll set bot address await liquid staking dot set bot. Oh, set delegation bot, that's the name. Set delegation bot. Then we'll say bot dot address has role. I wanted to check expect const has role equal to await liquid staking has role bot dot address comma we want to pass the role await liquid staking dot delegation bot has role to be true. Let's see. Console.log bot has got no bo- bot signer got the role. As a role, let's see. We should get console log. Okay, let's. So we have problem here. Delegation bot is this? Yes, spelling is correct. Access control. Oh, okay. We are sending the wrong. Sending these things in the wrong order. True. Let's see. Function return an unexpected. What unexpected amount of data? Okay, now I guess we need to figure out how this thing works, how how the tracer works. Hard hat tracer that we haven't worked. We have installed it, but it didn't work previously. But now we definitely need that part because these logs are just useless. Hard hat tracer. Hard hat. Yes, installation required. That's correct. Test dash full trace. Okay, trace did work. We got a lot of things. Okay, let's remove this. Let's try to understand this part. It says unknown error, staking delegate. Okay, then instead of staking, yes, instead of staking, we'll do a rock like low level call. Let's go at the top, staking contract. We don't need that now. We need staking precompile address. Let's go down in the delegate function. Staking. Are we importing our staking? Yes, we are. So let's start. Let's comment that out and we'll say boolean success bytes memory error equal to not error, err error. Okay, let me stop this. Stop the local node for now. Staking precompile address call will do the same. This part will be this will remain same. Now we need abi.encode with selector staking dot delegate dot selector comma validators I. If revert with string error. So why this is because all the Cosmos error are in string format. So I'm assuming this bytes will be just string and we can typecast into string and get the actual error message. If I'm correct, it should work. Let's see. Okay, it reverted, but liquid staking deposit. Okay, let's go to first one. delegate. We got error at this point, the call to iStaking. Delegate. Okay, so we didn't get issue. We didn't have issue with the actual staking part. So we did delegate everything. Now this is second deposit. First deposit was successful. You see, this is the first deposit. This is a delegate call, and this is the second deposit. And we have error in reward. Let's try to change that. When we do the reward, it returns an error. Static call solidity docs. Let me just open this. Static address dot static call. Static call is given. Low level calls operate on addresses rather than contract instances. Do not include checks, which makes them cheaper in terms of gas, but also less safe. Okay. Don't we have like more details about static calls? Static call. Okay, reward is view view method. Yeah, I guess that's what we can call it. Okay. Yes, that's what we can call it. And if we do a static call, we should get some data back instead of randomly getting unknown error. Unknown. I have issue with unknown error because that's more irritating. Okay. If we do a static call and we get the data, we need to decode it. ABI.decode. We can decode it. One thing is this. Okay, my issue is that we can decode it. That's not an issue. But if that's the data itself is not in the correct format, we want to we want to throw an error. So I was just trying to figure that out. ABI dot decode solidity try catch. Okay, let me just check this. I'm referencing to okay, this is already there. I'm referencing to this. It would be nice to have way to catch error. Try catch might be useful. Catch, okay. Do we really have like try decode? I don't think so. ABI methods solidity. Control F decode. Encode array data. Then do we okay, now I want to check it. Okay, no, there is no try decode. It's just POC or something like that. Feature removed. Okay, that there is nothing there. Okay, I just asked ChatGPT like what should I do. It's telling me we can. I'll just paste that snippet here. We can do something like this. I don't even know it's okay. Let's at least try it. I don't think we have any issue with that. Try. Okay, try catch returns is there. Let's say ABI dot decode. Oh no, first thing we need to do the call. Boolean success bytes memory data equal to go at the top staking precompile distribution precompile address precompile. Now we have precompile address. Go down here. Dot static call. Then we are gonna say abi.encode with selector where we pass what should we yes, I distr dot rewards dot, selector comma address this. At this point we have something useful uh, which we can decode. Now we'll say try catch abi dot decode. First we'll pass data, then give me a second, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so as I was saying, try catch decode, and then we'll pass a struct here, dash dot rewards memory oh sorry, that's not the return type. That's the part where we are decoding. I was confused for a minute. What happened? Return. Let me open it. Decoded. We'll say rewards. Rewards. Then we have catch. Reward with string data. Okay, maybe I need to understand that part. Try catch solidity. Okay, don't blame me. I never use try catch in any scenario. So that's why I don't know what I'm doing. Call failure. Okay, let's, yeah, somewhere here we have try catch statement. Try this. Try catch function call. We need to get a value out of it. try catch solidity, how to get return value and variable for decode function result. Probably it understood. Okay, so it's saying have this. What happened? You can only we're gonna say rewards. Okay, remove this try catch. We don't need it. We're just gonna say revert string data. Understood? Don't need anything. It's we have written it in a way we get a revert with some answer with reason. There is no reason. That's great. Do we at least have success? If not success, then use revert with string data. Okay, it doesn't get. There is no issue here. Can we say rewards equal to avi.decode data comma I. Okay, this part. Yeah, I know this is not ideal. And now we can okay, let's go at the top and just import console2 as console forge std slash console2.sol. console.log. I want one of the validator address, so we'll know if we decoded it correctly or not. Where is the error? Oh, so error is resolved. Now we get an error again. Without reason string. It's happening here, right? Try. Catch error console.log error. Transaction reverted and hard hat couldn't infer the error. Completely understand that part. Okay, there should be some reason. It says couldn't infer the reason. So what does that mean? Minimal working example. If also going to okay, these are too old. Can you console log string data? Will that work? We want this part. Okay, that's just ridiculous. Hard at hash. We do have rewards, and I don't know, this is working. When we try to decode it, it fails spectacularly, and we can't get. There is no way to get errors from decode. You see, rewards, liquid staking, unknown. Okay, that's a static call. Transaction reverted and copy. I got this error, but I can't get what the error is. How do I access the raw error data? In Hardhat test. Okay, that's not useful. So we have this, right? Let's run this. We don't see any red. Oh, no, 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 no. Unsplit. Yeah. Okay. I don't think we can get the actual issue behind this right now. So let's try something else. What can we try? Okay, there are some. No, I don't know anyway to see. What we can do is get delegated amount. We can do this for single. Yeah, so idea is right now what we are doing here is we are looping over the rewards array, right? And getting each validator. Instead of that, we can create a function. Sorry, we can create a variable, state variable, that calculate that tracks the delegated amount. But the function needs to be sorry, the function needs to be like access controlled, because if someone can manipulate the delegated amount, then exchange rate will change, and if that happens, then everything else will. I want I want to figure this out, but I can't. I don't know if there is a way, because if we are getting the data, but we can't actually decode it. We can't even console log it. Forget about the decode part. Here you see, We don't even have anything to decode. Are we doing something wrong? Okay, let me come up with some idea for, but we'll implement that in tomorrow's stream. So, anyway, 7 minutes early. I think I'm just gonna do 50-minute stream instead of an hour stream. So, yeah, if anyone is actually watching today on Twitter, like, thanks for watching. On YouTube, I'm pretty sure there is no one. Yes, there isn't anyone. Okay, if you're watching on Twitter, please do follow me. Uh, I want to get a DevRel job this in next 6 months. So having a big Twitter account might help. That's why I want you guys to follow me. And also I post somewhat good content, not terribly bad, but yeah, somewhat good content. So if you want to watch that, give me a follow on and also go on YouTube and follow and subscribe this uh, to the channel. Channel's name is Decrypted Bytes, or you can find a link on my Twitter account, like in the Twitter bio. You can find my link tree, and there is a YouTube channel on that. Okay, then you know what we are doing tomorrow. We will try to figure out a way to track the delegation amount without all of this nonsense that we are seeing. So cool. Have a nice day and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.